Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about withdrawing cash from a Starling Bank account. Yes, you can withdraw cash from a Starling Bank account. You have two main options for doing this in the UK. First, you can use any ATM. Starling Bank does not charge a fee for ATM withdrawals in the UK, although some ATM providers may have their own charges. There's a daily limit of £300 for ATM withdrawals, and you can make up to 6 withdrawals per day. This limit cannot be increased. Your second option is to withdraw cash over the counter at any post office branch. For this service, there is a 50p charge per withdrawal for business and sole trader accounts, but no fee for personal accounts. The daily limit for post office withdrawals is also £300. When you're traveling abroad, you can also withdraw cash from ATMs. Starling does not charge fees for foreign currency withdrawals, but again, the local ATM provider may have their own fee. The same daily limit of £300 applies. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.